Hey everyone, welcome back. This is English Conversation Practice for Beginners. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Today, we're going to help you answer daily questions with confidence.
By the end of this video, you'll know how to answer 10 common questions you hear every day. Things like, how are you? And what did you do yesterday?
Plus, we'll show you short answers and longer answers, so you can choose what feels right for you.
Oh, before we start, if you like learning English the easy way, hit that subscribe button. We're here every day with new conversations.
Yeah, and if this helps you, give us a like. It really helps other people find our channel, Easy English Podcast.
Exactly. Okay, ready? Let's go.
So Sarah, why are daily questions so important?
Great question, Mike, because every conversation starts with a question. When you buy coffee, when you meet a friend, when you start work, questions are everywhere.
Right, and if you can answer them smoothly, you feel confident. You don't feel nervous.
Exactly. This is for you if you want to sound natural, not like a textbook.
Okay, let's start with the most common one. How are you?
Ah, yes. Everyone learns this, but many people answer wrong.
Wrong. What do you mean?
Well, some people say, I'm fine, thank you, and you? Like a robot. It's not wrong, but it's not natural.
So what do you say?
I usually say, pretty good, thanks, or not bad, how about you?
Nice. Short and friendly.
You can say, good, thanks, or I'm doing well. All of these work.
Okay, now let's practice together. I'll ask, you answer at home.
Right. Mike, ask me.
Hey, Sarah, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. Busy day today.
See? She added a little extra. Busy day today. This invites more conversation.
Yes. Short answer is okay. Longer answer is friendly. Both are correct.
Next question. What do you do? This means your job, right?
Yes, but it can also mean your hobbies. Context matters.
So how do you answer?
For work, I say, I'm an English teacher, or I work in education.
And if they mean hobbies?
Then I say, oh, you mean in my free time? I love hiking and reading.
Good tip. If you're not sure, you can ask, do you mean my job?
Exactly. You don't have to guess. It's okay to ask. This is easy but important. Don't just say the country name.
Really? What else?
Add one small detail. For example, I'm from Canada. It's really cold there.
Or I'm from Brazil. The food is amazing.
Yes, this keeps the conversation going. People want to know more.
What if you're living in a different country now?
Then say, I'm originally from Japan, but I live in London now.
Originally. Good word.
Stay with us. We'll practice all of these again at the end.
Okay, let's talk about likes and dislikes. Question: what do you like to do?
I love this question. I always say, I love cooking, especially Italian food.
And I say, I enjoy watching movies. I'm a big action movie fan.
Notice we didn't say, I like watch movies. That's a common mistake.
Right. I like to watch, or I enjoy watching. The grammar changes.
Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just remember, like to plus verb, or enjoy plus verb ing.
For dislikes, you can say, I'm not a fan of, or I don't really like.
For example, I'm not a fan of early mornings.
I don't really like spicy food.
Both sound polite and natural.
Let's give them some real-life situations. You can say these.
At a coffee shop, just a coffee, please. Black, no sugar.
At work, I'm working on a new project. It's interesting.
With a neighbor, nice weather today, isn't it?
In this situation, meeting someone new, keep answers short at first.
Yes, don't tell your whole life story. 2 or 3 sentences is perfect.
But if they ask more questions, then you can expand.
Exactly. Match their energy. If they talk a lot, you can talk more. If they're quiet, keep it simple.
Okay, quick tips. When someone asks, what did you do yesterday?
Don't just say, nothing. That's a conversation killer.
Even if you did nothing, say something small, like,
Not much, just relaxed at home. It was nice.
Or, I met a friend for lunch. We tried a new restaurant.
See? Simple details make you interesting.
How much should you say? We say 3 sentences is the sweet spot.
Not too short, not too long. Like Goldilocks, just right.
Okay, let's review what we learned today.
First, how are you? Answer naturally, not like a robot.
Second, what do you do? Clarify if they mean job or hobbies.
Third, where are you from? Add one interesting detail.
Fourth, likes and dislikes. Use I enjoy or I'm not a fan of.
And finally, always add a little detail. Keep conversations alive.
Now it's your turn. We want to see your answers in the comments.
Yes, please answer this. What do you like to do in your free time?
You can copy this. In my free time, I enjoy blank.
Or, I'm a big fan of blank.
We'll read your comments and reply. This is your practice time.
Don't be shy. Making mistakes is part of learning. We're here to help.
Thanks so much for watching today. You did great just being here.
Really, every minute you practice makes you better.
Be confident. Your English is better than you think.
And come back tomorrow. We're doing real English conversations native speakers use daily, the easy version.
Same time, same place. Easy English Podcast.
Take care, everyone, and keep practicing.
See you tomorrow.